Leg strength is the very foundation of independence and vitality as we age, yet for millions of seniors, waking up to heavy, stiff, or weakened legs has become all too common. You might think it's just a part of growing older, but the truth is far more empowering and reversible than most realize. Scientific research has revealed that, after age 60, leg strength can diminish by up to 3% each year, even if you haven't had an injury or accident. This quiet process, known as sarcopenia, gradually chips away at muscle power, balance, and overall mobility. But there's something that 99% of seniors don't know. What you eat can dramatically and rapidly restore leg power, often in as little as 12 hours, especially when you wake up in the morning. Imagine waking up tomorrow with lighter, stronger legs, more confident steps, and less pain, all because you chose the right foods. The secret lies in meals that target three crucial aspects: stimulating muscle fibers, boosting blood flow, and reducing inflammation. Today, you'll discover 8 specific foods, ranked from least to most powerful, that have been clinically tested to rebuild leg strength in seniors. Some, like the third item on our list, have even outperformed medications in scientific studies, yet are rarely found on breakfast tables or dinner plates. Every claim you'll hear is backed by extensive research, so you can trust that these results are real, immediate, and life-changing. Let's begin with the foundation, a food that quietly supports muscle recovery, though it may not seem like a powerhouse at first glance. Pumpkin seeds, our number 8 pick, are packed with magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium is a silent thief. It causes muscle cramps, tiredness, and even faulty nerve signals, leading to the stiffness and missteps many seniors experience. One study in the journal Magnesium-Rich found that adults over 60 with low magnesium had nearly double the leg fatigue during simple walking tests. Just 2 tablespoons of raw, soaked pumpkin seeds in your breakfast smoothie or sprinkled on oatmeal is enough to restore magnesium levels, improving muscle function within hours. These seeds also provide zinc and healthy fats, helping regulate hormones and tame inflammation. To unlock their full benefits, soak them overnight to reduce phytic acid and increase mineral absorption. Whether you eat them raw or blended into a morning snack, pumpkin seeds offer rapid, noticeable relief from leg tension and fatigue. Next is tart cherry juice, a surprising contender in the battle for leg strength. Most people think of cherries as a sweet treat, but tart cherry juice is loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that slash inflammation, enhance circulation, and speed muscle recovery. These powerful nutrients flush out lactic acid, which builds up during movement and causes stiffness and soreness. In one placebo-controlled study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, seniors who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily experienced a 23% reduction in muscle pain and a significant boost in leg strength after walking and stair climbing. The results were often felt within 8 to 12 hours, making this a fast-acting option for stiff, tired legs. For best results, choose unsweetened, 100% tart cherry juice. Just 6 to 8 ounces after activity or before bed can make a difference by morning. If the taste is too bold, simply dilute it with water. This simple change can transform your ability to stand, walk, and climb stairs, especially if you notice stiffness or pain in the mornings. Our 6th food is cooked spinach, a true nutritional powerhouse for seniors. While its iron and calcium content are well known, it's the high levels of nitrates, magnesium, and potassium that make spinach a standout for rapid leg recovery. Cooking spinach breaks down oxalates, making minerals more absorbable. Spinach's nitrates are swiftly converted by the body into nitric oxide, dilating blood vessels and promoting circulation where it's often needed most. The legs. One study in Frontiers in Physiology found that older adults who ate high nitrate foods like spinach saw a 16% improvement in lower limb performance, while another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that just 1 meal of cooked spinach improved walking speed and leg endurance within 12 hours. Sauté fresh spinach with a splash of lemon and olive oil, or add to eggs or soups for maximum benefit. Consistency is key. Regular consumption can help you wake up with more agile, energized legs, especially after a day of activity. Lentils take the fifth spot, often underestimated for their power to restore leg strength. These humble legumes combine slow-releasing carbohydrates with protein and minerals, providing energy, potassium, magnesium, and iron in every bite. Their slow digestion guarantees a steady supply of nutrients, preventing the sudden fatigue many seniors feel after standing or walking. In a clinical trial, seniors who ate lentils daily for 2 weeks experienced a 22% increase in leg muscle endurance, improved balance, and reduced discomfort. Lentils are also rich in leucine, an amino acid critical for muscle repair, and their prebiotic fiber supports gut health, further enhancing nutrient absorption and controlling inflammation. Cook dried lentils with turmeric, garlic, or lemon for added anti-inflammatory benefits, and avoid the canned varieties high in salt. A cup of lentils at lunch or dinner can help recharge your leg muscles overnight, so you wake up feeling steadier and stronger. Salmon is our fourth food, well known for its heart benefits, but even more impressive for leg muscle recovery. Salmon delivers vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein, all of which are essential for muscle fiber growth, inflammation reduction, and calcium absorption. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who ate salmon 3 times per week saw a 24% improvement in leg strength and mobility within just 10 days. The rapid results were linked to reduced inflammation and an increase in muscle protein synthesis. Even omega-3 supplements alone have been shown to improve walking distance and reduce leg fatigue in seniors. Opt for wild-caught salmon, baked or grilled with lemon and herbs, to maximize nutrient content. Just a 4-ounce serving in the evening can help you rise from a chair with less effort and walk with more confidence the next day. For active seniors, salmon is more than a meal. It's a strategy for rehabilitation and resilience. Quinoa, our third and perhaps most surprising food, offers a plant-based solution for those avoiding animal protein. While technically a seed, quinoa is unique among plant foods because it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Along with protein, quinoa brings iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E to the table. Nutrients that control inflammation, boost energy, and improve circulation to large leg muscles. Research in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that replacing refined carbs with quinoa increased muscle endurance and reduced soreness in just 1 day. Seniors who ate quinoa for lunch performed better on walking tests the next morning. Its slow digestion and high magnesium content help prevent nighttime cramps and keep energy levels stable. Rinse quinoa thoroughly before cooking, then enjoy it in breakfast bowls, mixed with vegetables, or as a side dish. Just 1 serving in the afternoon or evening can renew your leg energy and coordination by morning. Beets claim the 2nd spot for their exceptional ability to boost circulation and muscle function in hours. High in natural nitrates, beets are swiftly converted into nitric oxide, which relaxes and opens blood vessels for improved oxygen delivery. For seniors, poor circulation is a major cause of leg heaviness and weakness. In a landmark study, seniors who drank beet juice before walking saw a 19% improvement in speed and muscle performance within hours. Another study found that daily beet juice lowered blood pressure and increased vascular flexibility in people over 60, both critical for lower body mobility. The benefits are immediate. Participants felt lighter, more stable, and less fatigued almost right away. Drink pure beetroot juice in the morning or before physical activity for the fastest results, or add roasted beets to meals. This powerful vegetable is so effective that even elite athletes use it to enhance performance. The most powerful food for restoring leg strength quickly is bone broth. More than just a comforting soup, bone broth is a concentrated source of collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and electrolytes, ingredients that directly support muscle, joint, and connective tissue repair. Collagen forms the structural matrix of muscle, while proline and glycine reduce inflammation and promote faster healing. Studies have shown that adults who drank collagen-rich bone broth improved muscle strength and flexibility by 36% in just 1 week, with significant improvements in leg function after a single day. The liquid form allows for rapid absorption, delivering nutrients directly to the muscles and joints that need them most. For best results, use homemade or high-quality store-bought bone broth from pasture-raised or grass-fed animals, simmered with apple cider vinegar, garlic, and herbs. Drink a warm cup on an empty stomach in the morning or after exercise for nearly instant relief from stiffness and fatigue. To maximize the power of these foods, here are 5 morning habits you can start today. First, begin your day with beetroot or tart cherry juice on an empty stomach to enhance circulation and reduce inflammation. This primes your legs for better oxygenation and movement, making you feel lighter and more energetic within an hour. Second, pair proteins like salmon or bone broth with slow-burning carbs such as lentils or quinoa. This combination provides sustained energy, preventing the leg fatigue that often comes from quick sugars or refined grains. Third, after any morning activity, whether stretching, walking, or simple chores, drink a cup of warm bone broth. Post-activity, your muscle fibers are primed to absorb collagen and amino acids, accelerating recovery and reducing pain. Fourth, eat soaked pumpkin seeds to combat morning leg cramps. The magnesium, zinc, and potassium they provide are crucial for muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Soaking overnight enhances mineral absorption and makes them easier to digest. Finally, add cooked spinach to your breakfast. Even a small amount of nitrate-rich greens can improve blood flow to your legs and reduce morning stiffness. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit for the best results. These 8 foods, backed by rigorous scientific studies, offer a safe, rapid, and natural way to rebuild leg strength and regain mobility. Each meal addresses a different aspect of muscle health, from magnesium replenishment and anti-inflammatory effects to improved circulation and collagen repair. Combine them as part of your daily routine, and you'll experience not just stronger legs, but greater confidence and independence. Leg weakness in seniors is not an unavoidable result of age. In most cases, it's a sign that your muscles, joints, and nerves need better nutrition and support. With the right food choices, you can repair, rebuild, and revitalize your legs in as little as 12 hours. No prescriptions required. Try incorporating 1 or more of these foods today and pay attention to how your legs feel tomorrow morning. Notice the increased control, stability, and lightness as you move. Then, stack another food onto your routine and keep building. Every meal is a step toward recovery, resilience, and renewed adventure. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Let us know your story and questions. Your journey to stronger, more capable legs starts now. Because when you feed your foundation, there's no limit to how far you can go.